This is Henry Lopez, host of the How a Business podcast, and I invite you to join me for the next virtual E-Leap workshop introduction. You have a dream of becoming your own boss and starting your own business, but how do you know if you're cut out to be an entrepreneur? And what's the difference between an entrepreneur and being self-employed? I'm a big fan of Gino Wickman and his books Traction and most recently Entrepreneurial LEAP. After reading Entrepreneurial LEAP and then having the opportunity to interview Gino on this podcast, I decided to become an Entrepreneurial LEAP Collaborator. As an E-Leap Collaborator, I have the privilege to share Gino's content along with my personal experiences and perspectives as a serial entrepreneur. I invite you to join me for my free virtual E-Leap workshop introduction. During this 1-hour online workshop, I'll introduce the 6 essential traits of successful entrepreneurs. After attending the virtual E-Leap workshop introduction session, you'll have a much better understanding of what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. Or perhaps taking a path to self-employment or owning a franchise location may be a better fit for you. To learn more, just visit thehowabusiness.com. The virtual E-Leap workshop introduction is free, but you do have to register. During the virtual E-Leap workshop introduction, I'm also going to introduce and provide a special offer for the Virtual Leap Workshop Series. The Virtual Leap Workshop Series is a 3-week, 3 90-minute session workshop led by me. Join a group with me of like-minded individuals for an invigorating 15 days that pushes entrepreneurs into making to move forward and take action. The best steps you can take in the early stages of taking a leap to build your business are all about action, moving forward, gaining knowledge and experiences. The Virtual Leap Workshop is designed to guide you through the 3 most important tools in Entrepreneurial Leap. Those 3 tools are the Entrepreneur in the Making Assessment, the My Biz Match tool, and the My Vision Clarifier tool. If you know you have what it takes, you have identified the best business that fits you, and you have a clear vision for who, what, where, and how you're going to get there, you will ultimately start a better business and greatly improve your opportunity for success as an entrepreneur. So please join me for the next virtual E-Leap workshop introduction. It's free, but you do have to register. To learn more and to register, just visit thehowabusiness.com now. I look forward to meeting and speaking with you soon.